The president also tweeted an attack today on Amazon and the Washington Post, both headed by Jeff Bezos. The president claims the U.S. Postal Service will lose $1.50 on average for each package it delivers for the retail giant. He went on to call out the fake Washington Post as part of Amazon's lobbying staff, adding Amazon must pay real costs and taxes now. The president has a history of criticizing both companies.
Believe me, if I become president, oh, do they have problems. They're going to have such problems.
The White House says it has no plans to take action against Amazon, which does pay local and state taxes. However, it avoids federal taxes by using tax credits and breaks.